In Los Angeles, my studio faced a concrete wall, just gray, and I imagined I would be able to see green and be in the country, and now I have that. When I came to France, I didn't know what I was going to do as an artist. My work in Los Angeles had been working with transparent resin, capturing light and reflecting the light, and this kind of mystical energy of light could make something come alive. But in France, it was not possible to continue this work, and I began looking for some other way to express myself. And I just began inventing. I began hitting on every object I could find to see what sound was in that object, what sound was hiding in that object that I could bring out if I struck it the right way. Now, I have no musical training at all, but the idea of working with the sounds, the sound energy was like working with light. Sadhana, it's a way to create an environment where you can connect with what we say wisdom energy, or some kind of insight, some way to reveal yourself further to yourself. And then I realized that I was not just creating some fun thing that was amusing and it could go bing and bang and make a rhythm, and that there was something more happening. And so then I thought, oh, this is like, it's a kind of sadhana of objects. I think for me, art is sacred. The artist has a responsibility to not pollute the world, to not lose himself to materialism. That doesn't mean you can't sell your work, but it means that you always are searching for the truth.